Hi everyone, I'm Hadris with WTI and I want to show you this measuring tape for everything. It's good to have one of these at home all the time because we can use it for everything, measuring furniture or chairs, anything we need to know how much space it occupies. This one in particular I like because it has a really good texture. I feel like it can last a long time and it won't break. It's super long actually. I think it could measure my entire house and it has really good flexibility, so it can easily measure a corner. I think having it at home is a great idea because it can help me know the size of things and thus buy the right ones. And of course, those who use it for work will find it very useful, even for this part to grab clothing. And that's my point of view.